In here is a RadioShack WeatherCube model 12-500. I've been wanting to get one of these for probably a year or two at least, if not closer to 3 or 4 years. I don't remember when I first found out about these things, but they are quite hard to find. Unfortunately, this one was made in a year when the tuner might die, but it said it was tested and working. And there might be a way for me to replace the tuner if it dies. That's the reason I got this is because it's just so hard to find. I wouldn't have gotten one from this year, which is 2008, if I had been able to find a different one. But I think this model is really cool. Alright, there it is. A WeatherCube. Wow, it's actually bigger than I expected. This is probably about 4 to 4.5 inches on each side. This thing is very thoroughly packaged. Oh, look at that. Let's make sure there's no battery leakage in this. If I can get this open. This thing is very cold because it was sitting on the front porch and it is currently, whoa, jeez. It is currently 38 degrees outside. Oh, it takes double A's. And there is corrosion in there. Look at that. Dang. Well, it looks like it's been cleaned somewhat, so that's good, but wow, that is really a shame. I think what I'm going to have to do is get this cleaned up some before I start trying to use it. Alright, so this is probably going to take some serious cleanup work to get it fully reconditioned, but I'm just going to go ahead and put these in here since they're alkalines. And I just want to go ahead and test this out. So let's see, how does it want me to put them in? Alright, this one goes with the positive end at the top. There we go. And positive at the bottom. And positive at the bottom. And positive at the top. Alright, there we go. Is it because I put on the battery door incorrectly? Yes, that was it. Oh yeah, this does have a dead tuner, wow.
And now the extended forecast.
Okay, never mind. Let's see how long this antenna is. It's pretty short, but not too bad.
The upper 40s. was sunny. The temperature was 40 degrees. Dew point 29 and Saturday night. Showers likely. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in...
This is kind of a weird tuner.
National Weather Service. Here is the official forecast from
Sounds
the
like Channel
National
5.
Weather Service for the northeast
Yes,
Georgia
it is.
mountains.
So reception on this is pretty good. That's Brasstown Bald, which is about 65 miles away.
South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. More or less Apache winds. Tonight, clear in the evening. Any accumulation.
And there's KC80. It's kind of skipping over WXJ53 for some reason.
Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not requested, but spotters are encouraged to submit reports of snow totals or ice damage through the web by going to weather.gov/Atlanta. Please relay any information about observed wintry precipitation to the National
So
Wind
the-
Southeast at 5.
Oh, wait a second.
At Cartersville, it was mostly
It
sunny
just switched
43.
to Channel 6.
At Augusta, it was
I don't think I even hit the tuning wheel here. That's
At
interesting.
Macon, it was sunny and 48. Wind north at 8. Elsewhere across the region, at Chattanooga, it was mostly sunny and
But yes, speaker quality is pretty good.
at 8. At Nashville,
And reception sensitivity is certainly good for just a little, tiny little radio like this. It's got that classic late 2000s RadioShack distorted sound quality.
at 3. At Peachtree
Oh,
City,
now it's back on Channel 7.
43. Wind north at 5. At Lawrenceville, it was mostly sunny and 39. Wind west at 5. At Cartersville, it was mostly sunny and 43. Wind from around the area. At Blairsville, it was sunny. The temperature was 39 degrees. Dew point 24 degrees. At Covington, it was sunny. At Monroe, it was sunny. The temperature around the region.
Alright, so it does seem to work just fine.
At Gainesville,
The light on the top is pretty bright. I might actually put this in my bedroom and use it as a mini nightlight for when I need it with the light on here.
Columbus, it was sunny and
Alright, cool. So there we have the RadioShack Red and Black WeatherCube. Model 12-500. The camera will focus on it. There we go. Alright, thank you for watching.